Ever wanted to record a playthrough of your favorite mobile game? Or you want to use the iPhone screen to make your own tutorials, for instance? Hey there guys, this is Plavia, and today we're going to teach you how to record your iPhone screen with the help of the Screen Recorder app. To download the app, simply go to the App Store and search for Screen Recorder for iPhone. Then locate the app and install it. Or you can click the download link in the description below. So let's see how it works. First, open the app. Now before starting, adjust your video settings. Choose the resolution, bitrate, and specific frame rate per second. Then tap on the red Start button and start broadcast. After the recording has started, go to your game and continue with your playthrough. Then pause and swipe down the top right corner to go to the control center. Find the recording button and tap to stop your recording. After recording the video, open the Screen Recorder app. Then find your latest recording. To make adjustments, go to the video editor. First off, let's trim the video to keep just the gameplay. Simply drag to select the part of the video you want to exclude. Additionally, you can adjust the volume, add filters, text, stickers, and whatnot. You can also change the video speed. Simply select your desired speed to make it slower or faster. After you've made your edit, tap on Export. Select the desired frame rate and resolution before tapping on Export Video. That's all for today. If you want to try the app out, link for it is in the description below. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more exciting iPhone tutorials.